Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to export your logo file in transparent PNG file format, step-by-step tutorial in CorelDraw. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your toolbar right here, double click on your rectangle. This allows you to create a page border. Next thing you want to do right here is come down below right here, right click on here, and this allows you to remove the stroke. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to the home tab right here. Make sure you click on this icon. And you have to locate where you need to save your file. Then at the point right here, make sure you choose portable network graphics. That is PNG file format. Then you have to come down below right here. Make sure you click on. Alright, so as you can see from the preview right here, you can see that this logo right here has no background at all. What you need to make sure you take note in CorelDraw is that make sure your transparent right here box is checked and the anti-lace is checked. Embedded color is checked. Then once you're done, you have to come down below right here and click on OK. Boom, you are done. So this is how you can export your CorelDraw file from Corel file to PNG file format, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.